Hello children, welcome to your SST class. Today we are going to start the new chapter, the classic ages. So in this we are going to study about the different ages. So first comes the Paleolithic age. The Paleolithic age was the longest period of the Stone Age. It can be further divided into three periods, that is the lower, middle and the upper. The names of these periods are based on the depths at remains belonging to these periods have been found. So let's know about the life of the Paleolithic man. They lived in rock shelters and caves. They were nomads who wandered from place to place in search of food. They did not know how to grow food or produce food. They also survived by hunting animals and fishing and gathering wild plants, nuts, roots, tubers, etc. So they were called as the hunter-gatherers because they did hunting and gathering. Then they realized the advantages of living in groups. It enabled him to hunt large animals and share that large animal which was scarce and decayed easily. It also provided security from the different dangers that they used to see around themselves, like the animals. Then the groups were not very large. There were no inequalities, nor were there any family ties within the groups. The average lifespan was only of about 20 to 25 years of age. Types of sites. Finished and unfinished Paleolithic artifacts have been found at several sites where the raw materials for making such artifacts were also found in plenty. These were probably factory sites where artifacts were made on a large scale. At some sites, ash and animal remains were found along with artifacts, so this suggests that people worked and lived also at these factory sites. These were habitation cum factory sites. Then the Paleolithic tools were usually made by chipping stones. They were of two types. The first one, the core tools. They were made by chipping off pieces of chunks of rock or hand-sized pebbles. The stone left after chipping is called core. As you can see in the image, core tools were usually oval or pear shaped. They were mostly used as hand axes. For heavy work like cutting trees, digging the earth for roots and tubers, and breaking bones. Some were used as cleavers for cutting large pieces of meat. So they used these things. And then the flake tools were made from sharp pieces, that is flakes, that broke off while shaping core tools. They were usually for chopping meat and skinning animals. Then the remains of ash at some Paleolithic sites led to the conclusion that fire was also known to the Stone Age man. Stone Age remains were found in the Deccan region such as Pune, Nasik, Hunski in Karnataka and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. So, I hope you all must have understood this much. Thank you. Good luck.